Two types of subscriptions are available with you guys for enhancing your preparation with Unacademy. One is the Plus, जिसमें आपको daily classes, weekly test, study material, unlimited access and structured courses मिलते हैं. Whereas in Iconic आपको Plus के तो सारे benefits मिल जाते हैं. But along with that, you also get personal guidance, study planner, one-on-one live mentoring, personalized test analysis, and expert guidance for all the examinations that you are preparing for this year, also for next year. So go for the subscription, guys. The 6 month subscription plans for all the people preparing for CAT this year and OMETS following after CAT, that goes for 16,400 rupees, and 18 months and 24 months of subscription for all the people who are going to prepare for CAT 2022 and all the OMETS that follows after CAT, that goes for 28,550 and 32,800 respectively. Similarly, for Iconic, guys, the 1 year subscription plan goes for 39,500, and all the people preparing for CAT 2022, you guys can go for the 2 year subscription plan that goes for 59,999. And guys, do not forget to use my educator code, that is RUSHI, that will give you an additional 10% discount on all your subscriptions. नया सब्सक्रिप्शन भी अनअकैडमी ने आपके लिए लॉन्च किया है गाइस, ओनली टू गिव यू अ लास्ट पुश फॉर योर कैट 2021 प्रिपरेशन. दैट इज द 2 months सब्सक्रिप्शन दैट विल गो फॉर 7,000 रुपीज, और उसके ऊपर भी आपको एक्सक्लूसिवली 10% डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा इफ यू यूज माई एडुकेटर कोड, दैट इज RUSHI रुशि. ये आपको जल्दी करना पड़ेगा गाइस, क्योंकि न्यू बैचेस आर स्टार्टिंग अप फ्रॉम 6 अक्टूबर. 2 नए बैचेस शुरू हो रहे हैं 6 अक्टूबर से फॉर कैट एंड ओमेट्स 2022 एंड लास्ट माइल फॉर कैट एंड ओमेट्स 2021. सो हरी अप गाइस, जल्दी से जल्दी प्लस और आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शंस को लो, enroll to these classes and enhance your learning only with an academy. Now let us start with this very special event with Sukanshika and Ananya. Guys, once again welcome to this channel of Unacademy Cat. So let us start with this session, guys. सबसे पहला question I want to ask to Sukanshika. But before that, hey Pawan, good evening and welcome to this session. Sukanshika, what exam are you preparing for?
For testnet.
You're preparing for testnet, and how was the feeling when you became the quiz master of the week, competing almost with so many of the TIS aspirants on the Unacademy learning app? What was your feeling?
So it's actually a nice feeling, because when we were having the quiz, they were not the dumb students. They were really knowledgeable, whom I really look up to. Like Namita and someone's Picky Blinders and all Shubh Chan. There's so many precise personas. I've just seen them. They're really knowledgeable. And becoming a quiz master among them, it just feels nice. It's really
Absolutely.
good.
Absolutely. These are some fantabulous guys. I have it in my class. जैसे नमिता है.
Yes,
Hey
sir.
नमिता, good evening. Welcome to the class. नमिता है, फिर हेमंत है, बंटी हमेशा आते
Yes.
रहता है. साई प्रसन्ना
Yes.
from BBA category. They are absolutely fantastic when it comes to the quiz. It's because they keep on attending the sessions regularly. Coming to you, Ananya, what exam are you preparing for?
Sir, I'm preparing for various PPA entrance exams such as IPMAT, DUJAT, and NPAT, etc.
Okay, so you will be attempting all these exams in 2021, right?
Yes, 2021, sir.
So not much time has left for all these examination. We have IPMAT coming up, NPAT is in the next week. Then we also have DUJT lined up, SET is also lined up. So it is going to be a very heavy month for you, Ananya, revising and taking mocks and
Yes, sir.
all of those things. How was your feeling when you became the quiz master of my class?
So I didn't expect it at all, because the questions were not very easy. They had the level which I expected. So I was very shocked, and I was like very happy that I became the quiz master.
Of course, we did two different quiz for all the people who are watching this. We did two different quiz. One was for DUJT and SET, of which Ananya has become the quiz master, and Sukanshika, जो हम लोग टिसनेट के लिए हर हफ्ते टेस्ट करते हैं, she became the quiz masters for this week. However, Sukanshika and Ananya, who would like to go first? Shoot your question. Such as Sukanshika would like to go first. Go first. Shoot your question, Sukanshika.
I wanted to know that what do they ask in the interview session? I mean, like we do editorial analysis session every single day, and for me, it's just something which helps me in building my vocabulary, which gives me a different perspective about the things that is going around the world. But sir, do they really ask about these political things that is going around, or anything which we read in the editorial thing? Do they ask about these things? But because if they ask, then I pay more attention to those things.
Okay. So basically what you want to ask सुकांशिका कि सर वोकैबलरी छोड़कर ये जो एडिटोरियल का क्लास है वो और किसी चीज के लिए हमारे काम आ सकता है क्या? दिस इज व्हाट यू आर रियली आस्किंग.
Yeah, like it's good for RC and also, but
Okay.
still, like any other way.
Yes, yes. There are multiple benefits of the editorial class that we do every day at 11 a.m. on this very channel of Unacademy, that is Unacademy Cat. Now, see, specifically answering your question, Sukanshika, interviews nowadays are not traditionally lined up, or they don't go in a conventional way. जैसे पहले हुआ करता था, they used to ask you about your hobbies, or they will ask you about your college or your family. It's not like that. Now every B school in this country are looking up for smart chaps, okay, who have knowledge about their surroundings. So it is very must from our side that we give our personality a 360-degree development, so that no matter whatever question is asked in the GD, या फिर GD में कोई भी topic आ जाए, या फिर any question that is asked in the interview, be it a regional level question, or be it a national level question, or be it an international level question, we should be able to answer that. Interviews now are not conventional. They have become very dynamic. They have become very unconventional. Now the interviewer actually asks, they won't ask you a direct question, but they will ask you about your perspective. That, for example, let's say there was a recent farmers protest in the country. If you were particularly appearing for one of the interviews now, there was a very high probability or very high possibility that the interviewer might ask you the question or your perspective about farmers protest, whatever it be. What do you think, is the government right or is the farmers right, या फिर what is your take on the vaccine policy of the government, why do you think India is struggling with curbing down the COVID-19 cases. ऐसे अलग अलग जो कंटेम्प्ररी इश्यूज है उसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं. एंड एडिटोरियल सेशन इज वन सेशन where we get to discuss different topics every day. हर रोज अगर आप देखोगे तो we come up with, there is an international issue, or there is a national issue, or there is a sports issue, or there is a social issue, economic issue. अलग अलग इश्यूज हम लोग एडिटोरियल के क्लास में करते रहते हैं. सो इट विल हेल्प यू इन योर आरसीज, नो डाउट, बिकॉज वोकैबुलरी आपका अच्छा खासा बिल्ड हो रहा है. इट विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू इन योर वैट. कैट के लिए अगर कोई प्रिपेयर कर रहा है तो वैट में जब ऐसे राइटिंग आएगा, इफ इट इज आस्क्ड ऑन अ कंटेम्प्ररी टॉपिक, that will be beneficial. And of course, whenever you go for your interview, and if a question is asked on the contemporary issue, you will be able to answer that. And that is an multifaceted benefit of one single session, that is the Hindu editorial analysis. I hope that answers your question.
Okay, so there are high chances that they'll ask the common issues that are going around the world.
Yes,
right?
yes. पूछते हैं. If not that, at least in case studies, it will be beneficial. It will be beneficial for your group discussions or group exercises. किसी भी एक stage of your MBA entrance exam में these sessions are going to help you, Sukanshika.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yes, coming to you, Ananya, shoot your question.
So my main concern is that, sir, when I attempt my mocks, I'm able to solve most of the questions from BA, LR. But sir, when it comes to QA, my speed lags and my confidence also goes down. So, sir, I just want to know how to boost up my speed so that I'm able to complete the QA section as well, as effectively as. Yeah.
Now, yes, Ananya. Now this is a very common problem. Quantitative aptitude section is a problem for most of the learners, because that involves a lot of calculation, that involves a lot of mathematical aspects. So one thing I will suggest, what I did during my preparation, however, a quantitative aptitude faculty will be, educator will be a more appropriate person to give you answer to this. Probably you can anytime crash into Ronak Shah's class and ask him this question, ki sir, how do I tackle with the QA section in order to save time? Now, I will tell you one basic or general trick or general aspect that you need to do whenever you are solving a mock. First attempt all the easy sections, या फिर whichever is your core area, या फिर the area in which you are strong. Okay, for example, you said you are very good with VARC or you are very good with LR. सबसे पहले क्या करो, फिर जो चीज़ें जो क्वेश्चंस आपको आ रहे हैं और you feel easy, उसे पहले सॉल्व करो. एंड द बेसिक इशू हियर इज ऑफ टाइम मैनेजमेंट. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू मैनेज टाइम फॉर क्यूए, गिव जल्दी से जल्दी बाकी के जो सेक्शंस है LR VARC, इसको जल्दी से सॉल्व करके यू क्विकली मूव टूवर्ड्स QA सेक्शन, या फिर उसको वाइस वर्सा भी कर सकते हो. तो वन विच यू थिंक यू टेक टाइम, you should immediately go solve it all. But however, like you said, you are preparing for NPAT. NPAT में sectional timing भी होता है, right? 40 minutes for each section. So I think you should first concentrate on your stronger point. जल्दी से जल्दी उसको आप solve करो, so that you will gain a little bit confidence about the overall paper and then move towards the QA section. And the one thing that will help you in this is learning a lot of tips and tricks. जो shortcuts है, I'm very sure whichever educator you follow for quantitative aptitude on the Unacademy learning platform, he or she will or must have given you some tricks to how to solve the problems much faster. जो shortcuts होते हैं, जो tricks होते हैं, उसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा practice करो, so that you can inculcate. Whenever you take, for example, percentage का कोई एक problem है, if you are good with percentage, find the percentage problem, take that, solve it fast, and then move on to the next question. This is the strategy that you should be following, Ananya, whenever you are giving mocks. However, Ananya, let me tell you, mocks and your actual papers, इसमें काफ़ी difference होता है. Mocks is a simulation, right? Mock test क्या है? It's a simulation of the exact paper. So find out what strategy works for you. Mock is the place where you can make mistakes, correct them, and develop a strategy for yourself. So give as much as mocks are possible. एक हफ्ते में NPAT है आपका, तो इस एक हफ्ते में कम से कम 2 mocks तो दो, and see what strategy works out for you in terms of time management, in terms of the exclusive QA section, and implement that on your doomsday. Okay, I think that will help you a lot.
Okay, sir, one more question related to this only.
Yes.
Sir, as you know, there are 100 questions and there are only there are 120 questions and there are only 100 minutes to solve.
Right.
So should we solve a question, or should we just try to skip through the questions we are not really confident about?
Yes. Now see, Ananya, I am going to tell you one thing which my mentor told me when I was preparing for civil services. He said that competitive exams are not about excellency. Okay, it's not about solving all the 120 questions or all the 100 questions that are there in the paper. It's about maintaining a competitive edge. Now, for example, NPAT का अगर हम cutoff देखेंगे, okay, what will be the cutoff for NPAT? It will somewhere around 85 to 90 percentile. Okay, so you have to be in that bracket. You don't need to be a 99 percentile unless it is a CAT exam where IIM Ahmedabad cutoffs goes for 99.99 percentile. So unless it is that, however, that is also not by attempting all the 100 questions. 99 percentile भी कभी भी 100 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने से नहीं आता है, या फिर 99 क्वेश्चंस आउट ऑफ 100 क्वेश्चंस करेक्ट होने से 99 परसेंटाइल नहीं आता है. इट इज हाउ स्मार्टली यू अटेम्प्ट द पेपर. Obviously, when you are not if you are not particularly confident about a question, please don't go for it. Okay, जिस क्वेश्चन के बारे में कॉन्फिडेंट हो, उसी क्वेश्चन के बारे में उसी क्वेश्चन को आप अटेम्प्ट करो. All the more now, one good thing for NPAT is, I believe there is no negative marking in NPAT, right?
Yes.
So फिर बिंदास जो कॉन्फिडेंट क्वेश्चन है उसको तो सॉल्व करो ही करो, और जिन क्वेश्चंस को आप अटेम्प्ट नहीं कर सकते, यू आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट, अपने दिल पर हाथ रखो और बोलो ऑल इज वेल, और उसको मार्क करके आ जाओ. ओके
Sir.
यस, सुकांशिका.
So when you explained us about the syllabus of TestNet, TestMat, everything, you told us to keep our eye on the governmental scheme, books and authors, awards recognition. You didn't say anything about the defense or military thing. Do we need to study that?
Of course. Now, see, the Sukanshika, general knowledge is the most unpredictable section in any paper. Okay, you take TISS, you take CMAT, you take XAT, or you take IFT or ACT for a matter of fact, or DUJT for a matter of fact. We can't predict which questions can come. Okay, the examination board can pick up, because they have so many options available for them. They can simply take up one piece of information and put it in the paper. So all the more it is absolutely necessary to take care or be in regards to cover each and every section of general knowledge. Now that's the reason whenever we have daily GK updates class in the evening at 5 p.m. on Unacademy learning application, we cover all sorts of information. We cover national news, we cover regional news, we cover business news, we cover banking, science and technology, defense, awards, important days, all these things we cover. So the reason why I do this is because I don't want to leave any stone unturned for your preparation. So if let's suppose if there are 100 updates about defense from a year, and if even one comes up, okay, एक भी question अगर TISS में defense के बारे में अगर आ जाता है, तो we don't want to lose that mark, right? हमें एक मार्क भी काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज TISS TISNET के लिए स्पेशली HRM वेयर द कंपटीशन इज सो हाई, ओके, कंपटीशन इतना ज़्यादा होता है TISNET HRM के लिए, एक मार्क भी काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है. देर आर पीपल फ्रॉम लास्ट ईयर हु हैव मिस्ड आउट द कट ऑफ बाय 1 मार्क. सो अगर कोई भी टाइप का क्वेश्चन आता है, आई डोंट वांट टू टेक एनी चांसेस टू लूज इवन 1 मार्क. तो इसीलिए हम सब कुछ पढ़ेंगे. एंड जीके का डेफिनेशन ही वही है, इट इज़ एवरीथिंग, इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग एंड दैट कम्स अंडर द स्काई. ओके, तो वो हमें बिल्कुल भी वहाँ पर छुट्टी नहीं देनी है सुकांशी का. वी हैव टू कवर दैट.
But sir, is it really enough to just qualify the exam? Because as we know, the competition is really high in that. So is it enough that like cutoff is just 68 like last year?
Yes.
So if I score just 69, is it enough for me to get my selection in that college? Because so there are people who have scored 90 plus, 80 plus in TestNet. Then there will be some people who will score really good marks in TestMat, not just qualifying marks.
You're
so
right.
sir, there are chances for them to be selected. So is it? I think it doesn't work for us, for most of us, to just qualify the exam. It's like, yeah, if someone will ask, have you qualified it? I will say, yeah, I qualified it. But I'm not selected. So,
that is there, that's ultimately there. Now TS is actually a 3-step selection process. They have 30% weightage to TISNET, 40% weightage to TISMAT or TISPAT, what they have introduced it in this year, and 30% is for OPI. So our try or our attempt is not only to qualify, but it's to get maximum numbers. Okay, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मार्क्स लेके आने हैं हमको. द अल्टीमेट गोल इज कि बाबा जो कॉम्पिटिटिव एज है 68 मार्क्स का या फिर 70 मार्क्स का, 72, वट एवर इज द कट ऑफ, वी नीड टू क्लियर दैट. तो ठीक है, अगर टिस्नेट में वी आर ऑन द एज और वी आर जस्ट पास द एज, probably we can work hard in the TISMAT section and take maximum numbers there, and OPI में तो आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्कोर कर ही सकते हो. So ऐसा नहीं है कि, तो that's what I'm saying, let us not limit for our preparation. Okay, हमारे preparation के लिए limit नहीं करते हैं. We can go for, sky is the limit for us, and we will try to touch and make a hole in the sky. Yes, Ananya.
So another question is that, sir, in business awareness section, so we are expected to learn so many names and the appointments which are newly there, and the chairman, CEO, everything of so many companies. So sir, how should we retain so many names and so much data?
Now yes, now this is also a concern of lot many students. TISNET के भी बच्चे कहते रहते हैं कि सर हिस्ट्री में there are so many names, there are so many dates. How do we remember this? Now Ananya, the simple thing is कि आप इसको daily basis पर करो. Okay, why do I conduct current affairs on a daily basis? Why do we go for a quiz of the current affairs on a daily basis? Because तुम लोग को जितना ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे, जितना ज़्यादा उसको रिवाइज कर सकोगे, उतना आपके द मोर यू रिवाइज द मोर यू विल रिमेंबर. अब फॉर मी देर आर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मान लो कि there are 1,000 Rishikesh cartels in the world, okay, but you know specifically me because you come and interact with me on a daily basis in the class, okay. वैसे ही ये information का भी होता है. The more you get, the more you read about it, the more you revise about it, उतना आपको अच्छे से पता चल जाएगा, या फिर उतना अच्छे से आप पढ़ाई कर सकोगे अनन्या. एंड यस, बिजनेस अवेयरनेस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डायनामिक सेक्शंस. उसमें सारा इंफॉर्मेशन हम लोगों को नहीं पढ़ने हैं, स्पेशली व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट एसीटी और व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट डीयूजेटी. एवरीथिंग इज नॉट नेसेसरी फॉर अस. इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन जो है, okay, important information, for example, we should be knowing that there are some important mergers and acquisitions that have taken place in the recent years. कुछ important appointments है, जैसे WhatsApp ने एक grievance officer को appoint किया है, WhatsApp ने India head को appoint किया है. ऐसे जो important updates होते हैं उस चीज़ को हमें याद रखना है, so that whenever such kinds of questions come in the exam, we will be able to answer it. Okay.
So there's a great question from business awareness section, right?
Yes.
Don't go in the deep detail of it.
Yes, absolutely. Now, तुम लोगों ने काफी क्वेश्चन पूछ लिए मुझे. I have one question for each one of you. Sukanchika, you are in the third year of your college, right?
No, I have completed my graduation.
Ajay, you have completed your graduation. That's all the more better for me. So when did you graduate? 2020?
Yeah.
So probably you have gone to your college for 2 years.
I haven't seen the face of my college. Trust me, I've done the distance learning thing. I don't even know how that building looks like.
Acha, you have never been to the college?
I've done distance learning and just the exams, that's it.
Acha, you went for the exams. But any which ways, I want to know, how do you study for your GK preparation? GK preparation कैसा करते हो आप for TISNET?
So firstly, I attend your regular classes and I used to revise all the things, like today I revised the March updates, all the like 15 days of March updates, and then next day tomorrow I revise the next 15 days of March update. और आज का जैसे वो तो पढ़ना ही, बट पहले का भी 10 दिन 5 दिन का करके I just revise them. And it works for me, sir.
So I hope tomorrow we are again going to have a weekly quiz, and hopefully you will be the leaderboard. You are going to crack the leaderboard again, it seems.
I think I'll be in top 10 for sure. I don't know I'll be second or third or not, but I will be in top 10.
Yes.
I'm the best.
Hi Sarthak, good evening guys, welcome to the class. Ayush, you have any questions? Yes, shoot them in the comment section. Ananya, I would like to ask you, since you are preparing for IPMAT, I am sure a lot of IPMAT aspirants will also be watching this video. Can you tell how are you preparing for your IPMAT, NPAT के लिए कैसे prepare कर रहे हो आप?
Sir, I attend all the classes and I practice from the study material, and sir, I give mocks regularly. So yeah, that's it. And I revise the concepts which are taught in the class. That works for me.
So the key factor here is, guys, you have to do the classes regularly. चाहे YouTube पर हो, चाहे Unacademy के learning application पर हो, या plus classes हो, you do have to do your classes regularly. That's the key to crack any examination that you are targeting upon. Okay, guys, we are running short of time. Sukanchika and Ananya, we still have a couple of questions to go. Yes, Sukanchika, shoot your question.
Yes, like you have studied from a really nice college, a well-reputed college.
Yes.
So I don't believe in the luck and all. So of course you must have worked really hard. So can you just share some tips with us, so like we can have a right direction for preparation? So can you just give us some tips?
Yes,
Anything.
yes, surely. I'll tell you what I followed when I decided to be a lawyer. It was very much it was very late. I passed my MBA in 2012 and I enrolled for law college in 2017. So particularly it was 5 years of gap after my MBA. I decided to go for LLB, and I appeared for MHCT. Now the competition for the colleges, I passed out from Navalmal Firodia Law College, which is one of the best law schools in the state of Maharashtra, after GLC Mumbai and ILS Pune. So it wasn't easy though. Also, I had no prior knowledge about what law exams are. I just knew there was a VARC section, or there was a quantitative aptitude section. Then there was altogether a section called legal reasoning. Okay, so I used to study. Okay, मैं काफ़ी डेडिकेटेडली पढ़ाई करता था, बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू डू माय लॉ फ्रॉम अ वेरी गुड कॉलेज. अपेरेंटली आई डिड सो. तो आई स्टडीड फॉर 4 months. ओके, 4 महीने के लिए मैंने पढ़ाई की थी, काफ़ी अच्छे से पढ़ाई की थी. आई वॉज वर्किंग एट द सेम टाइम. I was a professor in one of the B schools that time. So रोज I made it a point that every day I give 2 hours to my preparation. I used to start my day early morning at 8 a.m. मेरे classes 8 a.m. से शुरू होते थे, and that used to end at 6:30. So whenever I came back home, I used to chill a bit, थोड़ा बहुत. तब Netflix वगैरह ज़्यादा नहीं था. We had movies or so, but wasn't Netflix and Prime at that particular time. But I always made it a point कि हर रोज except for weekends though, सैटरडे संडे आई मेड इट अ पॉइंट, आई गेव रेस्ट टू माई माइंड एंड बॉडी. बट मंडे से लेकर फ्राइडे तक हर रोज 2 घंटे तो मैं रिलीजियसली दिया करता था मेरे लॉ प्रिपरेशन को. आई सॉल्व अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. मैंने काफ़ी सारे क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व किया. आई रेड अ लॉट अबाउट द कॉन्सेप्ट्स इवन बिफोर गोइंग टू लॉ स्कूल. फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के 2-3 सब्जेक्ट्स मैंने ऑलरेडी पढ़ लिए थे, तो इट वॉजन डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू व्हेन आई वेंट इनटू लॉ स्कूल. वो सब्जेक्ट काफ़ी ईजी हो गए थे मेरे लिए. द गुड थिंग वॉज कि 3 years का जो LLB होता है MHCT का, उसमें उसके एंट्रेंस में ज़्यादा मैथमेटिक्स नहीं होता है. जैसे अनन्या को एप्रीहेंशन है क्वांटिटेटिव के बारे में, उतना मुझे भी मुझे भी कॉम्प्रीहेंशन है. आई एम ऑल्सो a lot of scared about quants. But bottom line ये है कि I did a plan. Okay, एक स्टडी प्लान मैंने बनाया था, एंड डिसिप्लिन के साथ उस स्टडी प्लान को मैंने फॉलो किया था, प्रैक्टिस किया था, रिवाइज किया था बहुत ज़्यादा. एंड अपेरेंटली आई स्कोर्ड रियली गुड. काफ़ी अच्छे मार्क्स आए थे मुझे उस एग्जामिनेशन में, एंड आई कुड हैव गॉट एडमिशन इनटू GLC ऑल्सो. मैं GLC से भी लॉ कर सकता था, ILS से भी लॉ कर सकता था, but I eventually chose NFLC because I was working and it was close to my place. तो कॉलेज आने जाने में मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत नहीं होती उस समय पर. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल. यस अनन्या.
So I wanted to ask about any last minute tips for the upcoming exams which have only 1 week or 2 weeks left. So what should I do?
अनन्या, आई थिंक देर इज, अगर लास्ट मिनट आपको कुछ बताना है तो लाइक यू सेड यू आर ऑलरेडी टेकिंग मॉक्स. ओके, अगर एक मॉक आप ले रहे हो दिन में तो टेक 2 मॉक्स. ओके, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस द मोर बेटर यू विल बी. ओके, एंड बिफोर 1 day of the examination I would suggest you please take ample amount of rest, ताकि whenever you enter the examination hall, or now that there's no scope of entering into an examination hall, you have to take the examination from your home, but keep
so I think that is conducted offline only.
Acha, it will be conducted offline only.
I think
yes, but like I'm saying, please keep your mind fresh whenever you go to the examination hall. अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करो. इट इज़ वेरी क्रूशल टाइम. ये जो पहले का 1 week होता है, इट्स अ वेरी क्रूशल टाइम. यू हैव टू कीप योर मॉरल हाई. डोंट वरी इफ यू आर स्कोरिंग लो इन योर मॉक्स. वर्क हार्ड टिल योर लास्ट मिनट ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन. आखिर तक ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करो, एंड होपफुली you are going to crack NPAT. I'm sure about that, Ananya.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, so should we call it a session, guys? Should we call it off?
Sure, sir.
Yes.
Sure, sir.
It was great talking to you, Ananya and Sukanchika. I wish you all the best with your preparation. Ananya, you will be appearing for NPAT. मेरी तरफ से, सुकांक्षा की तरफ से, and all the viewers from YouTube, we wish you all the best for your exam. Go out there, give your best and crack it, Ananya. And Sukanchika,
thank you.
Please don't let your spirits down. This is just the beginning. We still have a very long way to go till TISNET. जो डेडिकेशन से अभी क्लासेस कर रहे हो, जो डेडिकेशन से अभी आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, I want you to keep that up, and ultimately I am sure you will also crack this net and get into the desired course that you want for. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you both of you for joining, and thank you all the viewers on YouTube for joining for this special session. Congratulations to once again to both of you once again for being the quiz master. I hope you became every week आप quiz master बनते रहो और बाकी के जो लोग हैं वो लोग भी बनते रहे, so that you can join me every week for this candid conversation. You guys have a fantastic evening ahead. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Take care. Let's crack it. Okay, okay. But yes, yes. हम
Thank
तीनों
you.
मिलकर let's cracking करेंगे. Okay. All three of us will do the let's crack it thing. Is it okay?
Okay.
So on the go of three, okay, तीन के इस पर go of three, three of us will do let's crack it. So 1, 2, and 3. Let's crack it.
That's it.
Thank you guys. Have a very good evening ahead. Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys.